As time goes on, I realize just what you mean to me. Color My World by Chicago. Here's your next song you're going to be learning. Let's get started. Okay, Aaron Smith here. If you just rolled by this video, check out my channel and check out the songs. I got a few on there. I've just started. I plan to have plenty more good songs for you to learn. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. Now for a correction. The last song I taught you was Revolution, slow version, Revolution 1. And that one part that goes like this, it goes, count me out in, and then it's like that. I was doing the in on the E when it should have been in on the F sharp. So it goes, count me out in, don't you know it's gonna be. Now most of you already caught that, I'm sure, but I was just showing the ones that maybe didn't. So it's count me out in, don't you know it's gonna be alright. So that was in the Revolution. So check that song out too. You might want to learn that one. And hit that subscribe button. I got a lot of good songs for you to learn. Okay, now we're going to do Chicago. And I'll do it slower. We'll have to break it down in parts here, and I'll do it slower than actually what the song is. It's actually kind of a fast song. So we're going to break it in parts. Color My World by Chicago. Here we go. So it starts out like this. Oh yeah, now the intro, all it's doing is like the whole song. It'll do an instrumental. The whole song goes through it, and then he comes in and starts singing. So that's basically what it's doing. So here's the starting of it. As time goes on, I realize just what you mean to me. Now we'll just work with that. Now I'm doing the bass a lot easier than the bass is definitely a little different, but I'm just kind of breaking it down where it's a little bit easier for people. Okay, so we're going to do that. So it goes, as time goes on, I realize just what you, whoa, as time goes on, I realize just what you mean to me. So I'll do it again. As time goes on, I realize just what you mean to me. There's that part. So we just gotta work slow and just watch your upper keyboard. Watch your upper keyboard, watch the notes, and learn that way. To me, and now that you're near, promise your love that I've waited to share. So, oh, this is going to be tricky for me. And now that you're near, promise your love. That's the tricky part. That I've waited to share. And dreams of our moments together. Color my world That one part I messed up on a little bit. Okay, it goes, come, let's see. Just what you mean to me, and now that you're near, promise your love that I've waited to share, and dreams of our moments together. Holds out, color my world with hope of loving you. Well, that's just the way I always did it. Beautiful song, but that's the whole song. Just one more time, I'll run through it just one more time. So here, get you going with it. And it's actually a fast song. I think it goes, as time goes on, I realize. Yeah, it's actually a little bit faster what I'm doing, but this is going to teach you. Okay, so as time goes on, I realize just what you mean to me, and now that you're near, promise your love, tricky part, that I've waited to share, and dreams of our moments together, color my world with hope of loving you. Okay, so there you go. Color my world. Just work with it. It's rough. Just kind of work with it and watch your upper keyboard, and you'll get it. You'll pick it up. So now I'm going to let you know what your next lesson's going to be. Till next time, later.
I think I'll go get me a 12 pack.